In today's free online video editing tutorial, I'm going to show you how to convert video to MP3 or audio file format in Adobe Premiere Pro so you can have something like this.
The easiest way to escape the system is via network. You have to know people.
To this.
The easiest way to escape the system is via network. You have to know people.
In less than 2 minutes. Step 1 is to drag the video onto the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro CC. The next step is to click on the video and highlight the in or the out point. Then select the video portion that you want to export the video into the MP3 audio. In this case, I did Ctrl-I for the in point and Ctrl-O for the out point. Next, click Ctrl-M on your keyboard to bring up the export settings. Under Format, click MP3. Under Preset, click the third option or the highest quality for your MP3 audio file. Save your video under the output name, click Save, and then click Export. Instead of going online and downloading the video and searching for an online free MP3 website, you can do this manually and completely for free in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist in the pinned comment down below or the video description for more, and subscribe to the channel with all post notifications.